The workflow starts with a Gmail trigger node. It polls the selected Gmail label every minute and fetches any new email matching that label. The trigger provides subject, text, or HTML body, sender name and email, message ID, timestamp, headers, and any attachment metadata. This becomes the raw source data. Next, we clean and normalize the Gmail email into a structured support ticket format. We extract requester name, requester email, a cleaned plain text description, detect whether the email is urgent, and keep the original Gmail message ID and timestamp. We remove HTML, decode symbols, and ensure we always have a usable description. This creates a standardized payload ready for Zendesk. Using the normalized text, the workflow creates a new ticket inside Zendesk with description, subject, priority set to normal or urgent, and requester details. Zendesk responds with a full ticket object containing ticket ID, ticket status, created timestamp, API URL, and tags. We then use this to build tracking information. This node prepares a clean row of data for Google Sheets. It extracts all the important details and also constructs a proper Zendesk agent URL like https your subdomain .zendesk.com/agent/tickets/12345. The formatted row includes ticket ID, Zendesk agent URL, API URL, status, priority, subject, requester name and email, timestamp, a 100-character preview of the description, tags, and the original message ID. This makes reporting and auditing easy. Finally, the structured ticket data is written into a Google Sheet using append or update mode. If the ticket ID already exists, we update. If not, we append a new row. This keeps the sheet clean, tidy, and up to date for dashboards, reporting, QA, or internal analytics.